Hello everyone, welcome back to Shomus Biology, and today we are here with the exam analysis report. Yesterday there was an exam for CSIR NET and we'll be analyzing CSIR NET Life Science examination. CSIR NET December 2024 that has conducted letter this time in the March 2025. But how was the exam compared to the June 2024? Whether it is balanced or not, what kind of questions have more dominance on it, is there is any pattern? We are going to analyze everything in front of you. सारे के सारे चीज एनालाइज करके बताएंगे और यहाँ पे ये भी बताएंगे कि ये एग्जाम किन लोगों के लिए अच्छा गया, किन लोगों के लिए अच्छा नहीं गया. Like I personally was not there in the exam, but what I got as a feedback from my subscribers as well as from my paid students, this is what they said about the exam. And by analyzing the questions, also seeing the questions, I got to see the questions, some of it, and based on that idea, what I can tell is very simple. So let's take 5 important points from it. So point number 1 is the overall question paper. It was balanced in both the shifts, in shift 1 and shift 2. Generally, they failed to manage a well-balanced question in both the shifts. But what I believed is that both the shifts this time has a balanced question, so they did manage it quite well this time. Although they took some time, but they managed it quite well. So very balanced question. Balanced question means the question is not too tough, not very easy, somewhere in the middle, and that is something is necessary for an exam of this magnitude. So that is good. Second important point that I want to tell you is regarding the distribution of the questions. There are 2 types of questions, दो प्रकार के ही होते हैं, एक तो explanation होता है, एक memory based होता है. So there is direct theory based questions and there are questions which are more analytical, and sometimes they go 50-50, sometimes they go 60-40, 70-30 like that. This time they focus more on theory and fundamental knowledge of the subject. That is 60 to 65%, and 35 to 40% of the questions are actually related to the explanation, like the analytical type. So those who are very, those who fear the analytical part, they could have managed well in this particular exam because they have a 60-40 or 65-35 distribution in here. So that is another good thing. Now the third important point is regarding the different parts. 3 parts होते हैं, part A, part B, part C, which were easy, which were not that easy. Now that is a subjective matter depending upon how you prepare your subject, right? But all I can tell is that people said that this time part C was not that tough that they expect. Part A was somewhere, all the time biology students have complained on the part A because they are not accustomed to prepare part A very well. So that is something. Part A is not that strong side for everyone. So part A is always so-so. Part C is this time is comparatively good to attain, easier to attain. But part B was difficult. The reason behind it is that the question is mostly theory and fundamental, and they ask question from memory based patterns, so memory based questions. And if you don't know, पता है तो आंसर कर पाओगे, पता नहीं है तो नहीं कर पाओगे. That's why part B felt a little difficult in both the shifts. Part C and part A is good. Part C felt good if somebody prepares. Part C felt good. Otherwise, part C would require, like, if you feel part C, this part C confusing and difficult, then you need to work a lot in your basics and fundamental concepts of the biology. Otherwise, because there were examinations earlier where part C was far difficult than this one. So that's the third point. Fourth point is the comparison between June 2024 and December 2024 question paper. And what I can say is that June 2024 was not that for bad paper. In June 2024 also the paper was good. But this time in December 2024 the paper is even, to my opinion. It is, in my opinion, it is comparatively better. The paper is comparatively better. It has a proper frame. It has a proper arrangement. What I can say, basically the distribution of the questions, the pattern of the question, everything is really good, and they do not have a much bias towards one unit over the other, although some sort of biasness can be found in some aspects, but that is far limited this time. So this time's paper is better than June 2024 paper. So now comes to the last and final point, point number 5. Now point number 5 I am going to tell you is that although the exam they took later, now what is the thing that you should do right now? The paper would be really good for most of the people. So as the people say, it is either good or so, not bad. So I conducted a survey in my YouTube channel and in a post. Although we didn't get much of a vote because we just created the survey this morning, and what I found out, the data is based on the idea. Even people are saying that either the paper is good for them or it is so for them, not bad for them. So considering this fact is that the people, so most of the people answered maximum question that is possible for them. So they attended the questions. So negative marking will obviously cut some of your scores, but those who prepared well and get there, they have a chance to qualify. And second thing is that there can be higher cutoff, ज़्यादा कट ऑफ हो सकता है. अब कट ऑफ डिपेंड करता है कितना लोग एग्जाम देने गए, कितना स्कोर ओवरऑल आ रहा है, कितना सीट देने को है, कितना जीआरएफ पोजीशंस प्रोवाइड करने को है, स्टाइपेंड देने को है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट दे विल कैलकुलेट. बट स्टिल आई कैन से इफ दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर इज so टू गुड, इन दैट केस more people will try to qualify, more people will qualify the cutoff. So the cutoff might be a little higher this time, who knows, but we can get to know about the cutoff letter very soon, upcoming times. तो आशा करते हैं ये वीडियो आपको एग्जाम एनालिसिस के बारे में आइडिया क्लियर कर दिया. So exam analysis idea has been provided clearly, and now if you felt that you got to a point where you fail to understand parts equation, you fail to understand part A, and you need a support, you need an help, then there is always shomus biology there to help you in both the way. Either you pay us with a paid course, you can join our online coaching. It's running for the upcoming session. That's the June session. If the exam is conducted in June, December, September, whatever it is, but the session will be for the June session. We'll be completing the syllabus by the June. You can join this time, and actually what we do is that after the examination we give only 5 seats because our seats are already filled. So we get 5 individual seats kept for that. So there are 5 seats that we'll offer to the people who appeared this examination and somehow thought that they need an extra help. You can contact the given number in this video, 9804654228, or contact us directly to the link that is provided in the description, and you can contact us. You will get a significant discount on the actual price, and you can join the coaching at this last moment to continue your journey of your preparation. And only 1/3 actually of our classes are done, and the rest of the classes are still about to be conducted. So this is the best time that you join, and we have 2 years validity of the recording, so that's going to definitely help you. And if you don't want to get into the paid course, you can always refer to my videos. The videos are always there in YouTube, and these free videos will definitely help you, guide you to prepare for the upcoming examination. The only thing that you need to do is to patiently sit and search all the playlists and go through them, and you will be ready for it. All the very best for the upcoming examination, and I believe we'll come up with different videos of this angle, but this is my video on exam analysis. Thank you. Bye.